Learning a new language has become a very digital endeavor. There are a lot of great apps and programs around that are very user-friendly and even great fun to use. This tip is not at all meant to replace any language learning method you have used or are planning to use in the future. The Kindle Paperwhite can be a great support though when learning a language, for the following reasons. You can choose your own reading material according to your level of skill and according to your interests. In case you visit a language school or a class at college, you might have prescribed literature, which isn't always too interesting. If you want to learn French and you're still at an early stage, you can get some French children's books or easy-to-read novels. Whether it might be fantasy, a thriller, science fiction, or romance, or a newspaper or magazine from the Kindle newsstand. Second, any word you don't know, you can look up using the translation function of the Kindle. You don't need the Oxford Advanced Dictionary next to your bed. And third, all the words you looked up will be available within the so-called vocabulary builder, where you can then study them. What are the steps to getting ready? Go to the Kindle store or some other source for ebooks and pick your favorite book, magazine or newspaper from the Kindle newsstand. Make sure to get the right dictionary installed. The standard dictionary on your Paperwhite is a monolingual one, English explanations for English words. Depending on the language you want to learn, get a bilingual dictionary like French-English from the Kindle store. There are many different products available. After you bought and downloaded the dictionary, you need to make it to your Kindle's default dictionary in order to use it while you're reading. How to do that we explained in Master Your Device. Now you're ready to start reading. As soon as the first word you don't know shows up, I would recommend you to try to figure out first from the context what it could mean. And then to double check, or in case you have no clue, long tap the word and look it up in the dictionary. As you know the meaning of the word now, read the whole sentence again. Maybe even speak it out loud to practice speaking the word. And now comes the Paperwhite's killer feature. All the words you looked up are collected in the vocabulary builder. You can find it from your home screen in the context menu with the 3 dots. The vocabulary builder offers 2 views. Either all the words from all books or the words from selected books. You can use this table now as a quiz. Try to remember the meaning of a word, then tap the word to confirm. If you were right, you can delete it from the list or check it as mastered to keep it in the list for a later review. In case you want to keep practicing the word, just leave the dialog and try again next time. You can also use the flashcard function and swipe through the list with translation to memorize the vocabulary. Unfortunately, the feature isn't available yet for Android or iOS. That way you could practice with the vocabulary builder even if you don't have your Kindle with you. And now a little challenge at the end of this tip. What about changing your Kindle's device language to the language you want to learn? That could be quite an experience to navigate the device in a foreign language. Could that be an option?